Welcome to Dazzlingvisions, where creativity knows no bounds. I'm Dazzlingvisions CEO, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our dynamic team of NFT art designers. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of NFTs and show you how we, as a collaborative team, create stunning digital artworks that stand out in the NFT Marketplace. We're not just passionate creators, we're professionals. You can find us on Fiverr, where we offer our NFT Art design services to clients worldwide. Let's explore our journey in the NFT space. What are NFTs? NFTs, or Non-Fungible Tokens, are digital assets that represent ownership of unique items or pieces of content. They're transforming the way we perceive and exchange digital art, collectibles, virtual real estate, and much more. At the core of NFTs is blockchain technology, which ensures their scarcity and authenticity. NFT design basics and the power of teamwork. Creating an NFT is not just about visuals. It's about telling a story, invoking emotions, and delivering a unique experience to the collector. What sets us apart is our collaborative approach. Let's meet the team members who make it happen. Tools and software. Our team leverages industry standard design software, such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, to craft our NFT masterpieces. We also explore free alternatives like GIMP and Canva to ensure accessibility and flexibility in our creative process. Collaborative NFT design process. As we dive into the creation process, watch closely as we demonstrate how our team collaborates to craft a captivating NFT artwork. Each team member brings their unique skills and perspectives to the table. Adding metadata. In the world of NFTs, metadata is crucial. It adds context, uniqueness, and value to our digital creations. We'll showcase how our team carefully curates metadata for our NFTs using platforms like OpenSea and Rarible. Minting your NFT. Once the artwork and metadata are ready, we'll guide you through the minting process, the process of transforming our digital creations into NFTs on the blockchain. We'll also cover gas fees and pricing strategies. Marketing and promotion as a design team. Creating NFTs is just the beginning. To make a mark in the NFT space, we rely on strategic marketing and promotion. We'll share our insights on how our team collaboratively builds a strong brand presence, both on platforms like Fiverr and beyond. Conclusion. As we wrap up, remember that the power of teamwork is a game changer in the world of NFT art design. Collaborative creativity knows no bounds, and we invite you to explore our team's NFT creations. If you're looking to work with us, you can find our professional services on Fiverr in the video description below. You'll find a link to our Fiverr profile. Thank you for joining us on this artistic journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on our collaborative NFT art adventures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to a YouTube channel name. You can also connect with us on social media for more creative inspiration. Until next time, keep innovating and exploring the limitless possibilities of NFT art.